This is episode 6, and today I'm going to show you how to format text. First, you have to select the cell, obviously, and then you write whatever you want to or type it. So, for example, cell. To change the actual text inside of the cell, the font, to change font, you simply go to the drop bar right here, which is right next to the more formats and right below the add-ons. So you press it and you can scroll through all of the fonts, but if you would like to look at more fonts, then you simply press that on the top and shows you a lot of fonts that you can use, and you can simply search for a specific font. So to change the actual font size, you go to the drop bar that is right next to the font, and you can either select one from the options given in the drop bar, or you can actually type it in and press enter. To change how the text actually looks, you can either make it bold, italics, strike through, or underline. To do that, you simply go to bold and press it, and italics to press it. But I like to actually use the keyboard shortcuts, which would be simply Command B and Command I. And to redo them, you just re-press the keyboard shortcuts, or you just re-click whatever you use to actually activate that feature. So strike through is just a feature where you can add a line through. So this would be ideal if you're doing checkboxes and a to-do list where you just want to cross out the tasks that you've completed. For example, you would just press strike through and it would make a line through, and press it again to undo it. For the shortcut, it would just be Command 5. And you press it again to undo it. To change the actual color of the word, you simply press this A with a black line under it, and then you can select whatever color you would like to change it to. To make a more customizable color, you can press on the custom plus sign, and you can use this to change the color. And after you've created that color, you can simply press on it. To continue learning about Google Sheets, make sure to check out the other episodes on Google Sheets, and if you are already all caught up, make sure to check out the videos every Wednesday and Friday. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.